All right, our last structure video will be about the aromatic amines. Okay, so for our IUPAC naming, we've already talked about this, sort of. And that is when you have a benzene ring with an NH2, it is an aniline. Or you have a benzene ring with a nitrogen, it is an aniline. Now, we can have substituents either off of the nitrogen or off of the ring itself. If the substituent is coming off of the ring, then the nitrogen will have the lowest locant value. Okay, so for our first fellow, we are going to use our N designation. So designating that we do have our main parent chain here being the aniline, and then we have a substituent off of the amine. That substituent off of the amine is a methyl, and we are going to designate it with an N to let everyone know that that methyl group is attached or bonded to the nitrogen. So the name here then is an N-methyl aniline. Whereas on the neighboring structure, I have aniline. It is going to be understood that that nitrogen is bonded to carbon number 1. And so you can name this either by, or we can name this using the number designation. We could also name this if you wanted, well, using the M. But this would be a 3-methyl. Oh, that's a really funky looking Y. Let's try that again. Hello, thank you. A 3-methyl aniline. All right, got some practice for you on the next slide. All right, so as always on a practice, you should pause this, make sure you can actually answer the name or determine the name without me stepping you through it. All right, so our parent here, this is an aniline, and I have 2 methyl groups here bonded to the nitrogen. So the name for this is going to be NN, dimethyl